Phoenix Contact electronic housings with integrated displays and keypads are now available from Sager Electronics. Phoenix Contact makes it easy to add visualization and control into electronics housings for centralized control cabinets or field control modules. Designers leverage an online configurator and prefabricated and tested modules for plug-and-play assembly tailored to individual design requirements. This offers the benefit of getting housings, keypads, and touch or non-touch displays from a single source that are all optimized to work together and can be configured to a customer's exact application requirements. Phoenix Contact's state-of-the-art housings allow the displays to be flush-mounted in the housing. Individual membrane keypads can be customized to indicate the appropriate function. Housings and components are offered in various colors, and additional markings such as company logo can be added. To learn more about Phoenix Contact's electronic housings with integrated displays and keypads, visit Sager.com.